We take the worst and make it the first. Welcome to the 1980 Rancher.
Lovely brick wall.
You're saying lovely brick wall, but I'm not feeling it's actually lovely.
Yeah.
You do have a gas fireplace, though.
That's nice.
a bonus.
We can completely reface this, make it look a lot more modern.
We're gonna remove this carpet, give you nice hardwood. We're gonna make it flow.
Sounds good.
Has potential.
This feature wall here with the fireplace, the stonework, again, is dated.
I think we can all agree on that.
I'd like to bring in a new gas insert here, reface this whole wall.
Oh, good.
In the living room, we'll update the railings and reface that stone facade to create a feature wall.
This 8-week renovation is gonna take muscle. From the dated fireplace and fixtures, to tearing down the walls, everything must go.
The fireplace, wow, you guys have done great.
While the outside gets a makeover, Catherine and I are after a custom fireplace mantle to bring warmth to the inside of Penny and Leaf's home.
The thing about this place is they handcraft each mantle with concrete. That really makes it special.
Mickey, I hope you're ready to get your hands dirty.
Are these for us?
Well, not these specifically, but perhaps we got something. What do you have in mind?
We're going for a country contemporary vibe. We've got this beautiful open concept, and I want that fireplace mantle to be a piece of art that people see immediately on walking into the space.
I think we might have just the thing.
It's really important for us to get the perfect mantle for Penny and Leaf.
With all those walls down, you're gonna see this mantle from every angle of the room.
There's some beautiful options in here.
Yes, but if we're looking for classic, what do you think about this style?
Oh, I love that. This frame is a little bit thicker with that curved edge detail. Mm-hmm. Is the fleur-de-lis optional?
It is optional.
Yeah?
If we're trying to do that transitional look,
Just to have the frame really be that focal point.
might be better to not have one.
I'm sold.
Yeah.
Excellent.
It's delivery day at Penny and Leaf's. The kitchen cabinets are arriving, and the new custom concrete mantle Catherine and I ordered is here. Each piece is being fitted around our new gas insert, and the trim is cut on site to ensure a perfect fit.
It's been 8 whole weeks, and we're almost ready for Penny and Leaf to come on home. Nice little delicate punch of color in here.
Hey, Mickey, what way do you like to fluff pillows?
Oh, there's only one way to fluff a pillow. You gotta take it, fluff, spin, fluff, push. And you're good to go.
Oh, gosh.
Man, this table looks so good here with the new fireplace. Getting lost in your own eyes again, Mick?
No, I'm just reflecting on how good the space looks.
Welcome home.
Oh my gosh. Holy. Wow.
It's not the same place.
Wow, look at the fireplace.
So that's actually a custom-built fireplace. They hand press the concrete in. It's not just formed and poured.
And the new mantle perfectly frames that beautiful new gas insert that we've given you.
Wow.
The place looks better than I could ever imagine. Absolutely stunning.
I'd like to propose a toast to Sebastian, Mickey, Catherine for making our dreams come true and making this house a reality for us.
This is amazing. It's just wonderful. Thank you.
To you
It's your
guys.
pleasure. Woo! Yeah!